नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली आईएएस में। दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने जाने वाले हैं क्विक रिवीजन ऑफ यूनिट नंबर 6 ऑफ सोशोलॉजी ऑप्शनल। इट्स नेम इज वर्क एंड इकोनॉमिक लाइफ। ओके, वर्क एंड इकोनॉमिक लाइफ, यूनिट नंबर 6, सोशोलॉजी ऑप्शनल, पेपर 1। सो let us start without any delay. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, so as you can see in sociology unit 6, work and economic life. So we will start with work. Why work is important? Work is important because it provides as economic system, economic system in terms of providing skill and living to the human. And second thing, it provides socialization in the factory system or in during the production. Human engage in interaction, and he defined himself, self and identity. That's why work is important. Second thing is, work is also related to social organization of work. Now, what is social organization of work? As we can see, social organization of work means these all are the activities involved during the work. So there are two main type of activities. First is work related, second is individual related. And the work related activities like nature of work, activities of production and source of power, these are work related activities. Second thing is individual related. For example, system of stratification, social mobility and degree of alienation. So these are major activities, social organization of work. Okay, so these are, but why social organization of work is important? Because social organization of work is important because it provides social relation of production, and under which we learn about means of production and force of production. Okay, due to this reason. Okay, that's fine. Now, social organization of work, we will see social organization of work in different type of society like slave society, feudal society and industrial capitalist society. Okay, so in industrial capitalist society we learn about industrialization and capitalism. Why industrialization important? Because we learn about social organization of work, and in industrialization we also learn about Hawthorne studies. Okay, so these are major social organization of work: slave society, feudal society, industrial capitalist society. Okay, one more interesting thing is here, we learn about Hawthorne study. Okay, in the work we learn about formal organization of work and informal organization of work. Okay, so what are formal organization of work? Why are they important? Because in formal organization there is hierarchy, rules and regulation, job specialization and authority. That's why formal organization of work is important, and these things also happen under bureaucracy. Okay, and formal organization of work greatest example is Hawthorne studies. In this study was done by Elton Mayo in 1930s in Western Electrical Company in, okay, to understand about the work in formal organization of work in formal companies. Okay, so now let us read about informal organization of work. Like informal organization, like norm in which they follow norms and custom. These are ascriptive in nature. Okay, and there are some theories which explain informal organization of work. Which are these theories? These are like dualistic school, structural functionalist school, legalist school, and voluntarist school, which explain informal organization of work. Now, work has major two dimensions. First is labor and second is machine. Okay, in labor we learn about wage labor. Why wage labor? Okay, and wage labor are important because there are some new trends, some labor rights, and some problems faced by wage laborers. What are those problems? Mainly problems is alienation, exploitation, underemployment, unemployment. In unemployment, we read about reserve army of labor. These are basically unemployed people, are called reserve army of labor. And some labor rights like trade union, collective bargaining, labor legislation, and labor movement. Similarly, new trends in wage labor like gig economy and feminization of labor, automation, and occupational health and safety. So, these are major keywords related to this unit, which is social organization of work. And one more concept is wage labor, which is related to social mobility. Okay, though there are some concepts which are interrelated, like nature of work, which is related to informal organization and informal organization. These are two types of nature of work which comes under social organization of work. So this was just a brief view of this unit, work and economic life. I know initially it may be little bit difficult to understand this, but slowly after 1-2 revision you will get used to, and it will become very easy to you. If you like the video, then please subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any other information. Thank you.